Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add customer review section in Shopify website. Right now as you can see we are into admin dashboard and we are going to click on online store, and here we will simply click on edit theme, right? Okay, edit theme, and now we are into the theme customization page, right? And here as you can see in the right side there is an option of setup guide, right? You can ask setup guide to create this kind of section for you, right? So wherever you want to add a new section, right, you can simply add a new section and you can ask setup guide that what do you need, right? So right now I want a customer review section or a customer review slider so that lots of reviews can slide over there. So I am writing need a customer review slider where I can add customer name, photo, star rating and review. Okay, you can also add some additional detail, make it trending design. Okay, let's submit this and see what this setup guys do. Okay, you can also click on the violet setup guide avatar icon on the top if setup guide doesn't opens directly. So let's click on it. Okay, and as you can see the generate block is over there. You just need to send this command and now you need to wait as it is working on it. It is writing code for it, right? So it's generating code and you need to hold down, right? So let's wait for it. Okay, so it's finishing up, right? And it will take few of seconds. Okay, it's done. You can also add follow-up instruction, right, if you want to make changes to this particular section. So as you can see the section has been created and the title of this section is what our customer says. Subtitle is this, you can change it, the title size and subtitle size. You can also change the layout, right, card style. Right now as you can see border radius is this and border width is this, right? Border color is this, shadow is this, right? Customer photo, star rating, you can increase and decrease the size of the photo, right? Review 1, okay, enable review 1, right? Star rating is 5. Review text have also been mentioned, right? You need not to write reviews, right? Else you can also change the reviews, right? You can make a good mixture of reviews like your native language reviews, right? The English language reviews, right? So you can simply upload the photos and you can simply write the text and the name and then click on save. So this section has been successfully created on your Shopify website.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.